Hey guys, welcome back. This is Drew from Wealth with Websites. Today, I'm going to be teaching you guys and going over how exactly we map out our process journey for completing websites. And, before it used to take us around a month to a month and a half just to complete a website. Now it just takes us about, I would say, 3 weeks to 4 weeks max to pump out custom websites and templates. We do that within 5 to 7 business days. And I'll tell you exactly how we do it. So, first and foremost, I realized that the number one reason behind having a successful website design business is actually mapping out your entire process so that your clients or customers are on the same page as you. If there are no gray areas to begin with, then they are not going to go off track. They're not going to give you extra revisions. They're not going to say, I didn't get what I asked for. This process allows you to stay on track, and it allows your clients to stay on the same track so that everyone is on the same page. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is the process that I created. Now, it took me about 3.5 years to actually create this process and map this out so that we can create an effective customer journey for our clients. So first and foremost, we get the agreement signed. And after that, we have a strategy call. So my clients get on with our project manager or myself when I didn't have a project manager before, and we would map out this entire game plan of this website. So what we would do in this strategy call is actually build out their sitemap. That's right. So we would build out how many pages they need, what are the names of these pages, and then create a sitemap, a skeleton model of the website. After that's created, depending on if they paid for copywriting, if they buying a custom website, we do include copywriting with it. So this process that I'm going to show you is more for custom websites. So, the third part is we will write the copy. Once we write the copy, we send it to our clients. Now, you might be asking, where is this communication happening? We used to have, back and forth emails with our clients. What that resulted in is, emails being missed, some might not being sent. They either are lost in the threads and whatnot. So what I went to is Slack. That's right. So Slack solved all of these problems because everyone was on the same page. So whenever they signed an agreement, right away after the strategy call, my project manager would put my client, their staff, my dev team would be on it, my UI team would be on it, and my copywriting team would be on this Slack channel. This ensured that everyone, once again, is on the same page and there are no gray areas. So once we put these guys on the Slack channel, we write the copy, we send the first version of the copy, and it's on a Google Doc. So they can go ahead and edit and make any changes that they want to. They send it back to us. We go back and forth until they are 100% happy with this copy. And we have them say that in the Slack group saying, hey, we are good to go with the copy. So once the copy is approved, then if we are building a custom website, we team goes to work and makes the mock-up design on Photoshop, and then we present them via a PDF format. Now, we also tell them, it's very important that you tell this to your clients, is that the finalized mock-up design becomes the scope of work for this project. Anything outside the scope of the work will be subject to an hourly cost, right? What used to happen before is we would make the website and then these guys would say, hey, I saw this website. It looks really cool. Can you change the whole outlook of the website to match this? And obviously that doesn't help anyone because it prolongs the duration of the completion of the website. And my team has to do double of the work. So this ensured that we must stay clear cut and say that, this mock-up design is going to be the scope of the work. Anything outside of that, you guys will have to pay. Fair and square. So once they give the thumbs up for since it's a mock-up and since it's on Photoshop, they can let us know of any revisions that they want to. We change up the colors, tech, or not the text that's approved, but the colors, the design elements, graphic, whatever they want to, pictures, we change that up during this revision process. Once they are good to go, then we start development on a dummy domain. So I use SiteGround, which I'll post the link below. So I use SiteGround to host all my websites and create those dummy domains. So we build this website on a dummy domain. The beauty about this is their current website is not affected. So you don't have to put, coming soon or in maintenance or anything like that. You tell them that you roll on with your operations. We build this on a dummy domain until you guys are ready to go live. So development begins. That's step number 6. After development is done, we go back into revisions process. Now, this revisions process is so smooth, and you'll see what I mean, is because everything leading up to it, they have been approving. So anything outside of the scope that falls outside of the scope, they will have to pay for it. And some clients are okay with that. But as long as everyone is on the same page, this is going to go very smoothly for you guys. So once you guys knock out those revisions, we collect the last amount of payment. So how our payment structure works is we collect 50% upfront to begin the project, and then 50% before the website is made live. So between step 7 and between step 8, we collect the final payment. And once final payment is received, we make the website go live. What I used to do before is, I would make their website live on their actual domain, and then they would take weeks and weeks to pay me back. Now, the leverage is on them. So in order to get paid, I would, bend over my back, make all those revisions, extra revisions, just so I can get paid. And it was a bad situation to be in. So I highly recommend you guys to take that 50% last payment if you guys are doing a payment plan like that before you make the website live. So you always have the leverage as a business owner. Once the website is live, then we just collect the testimonial. And as you can see, this process is a breeze. Everyone is happy. Everyone is on the same page. And, at the end of the day, you got yourself a happy customer and you're not pulling your hair out, because honestly, website design and making websites shouldn't be a task consuming thing. It shouldn't be a time consuming thing, I should say. It's not, a dreadful task. A lot of people think making websites and going through the whole process has to be this rigorous thing where, it's so painful. Everyone's unhappy at the end. If you follow this process, I guarantee you that you're going to be happy, your staff is going to be happy, but most importantly, your clients are going to be happy. And in the end, they are going to refer you to more people. So hopefully this helped you out. I recommend you to, go out and try this process on your own and let me know what you thought of this. And if this was helpful, I'll continue making these videos and helping you guys out. What I did want to end off with is, if you guys are looking for any external support, and if you guys need some coaching and ways to grow your business, I do hold a weekly mastermind where we get together on a weekly Zoom call where I go in depth about website design. We share ideas. So it's a great way to network with other people as well. It's only $197 a month, so it's not breaking the bank. But in this way, you're investing a bit, so you have skin in the game. You are networking with other website design business owners, and you get to learn a ton more. Also, I also offer one-on-one bi-weekly coaching calls. So in this $197 per month that you'll pay, you'll also get a one-on-one bi-weekly coaching call, and you can pick my brain, ask me any questions. We can go over sales tactics. We can look over your current process. We can look over how to hire the right people, whatever it may be. But I really think it might be of good value to you. I'm looking to build this community of entrepreneurs, like-minded people, and just really build this community around website design business owners, because I think, and I do believe personally, that this business is not just about, this business model is not boring. It's really fun if done right. I've learned how to completely automate my website design business and get out of being an employee. And now I'm a business owner, and it's honestly so rewarding. So if you guys are on the same page and you want to learn more, you want to connect with other business owners, just drop me a DM, or I'll send you a link. I'll put a link below where you can fill out a form, and we can hop on a call, and let's see if you're a good fit for our weekly mastermind calls and that one-on-one coaching program with. And last but not least, if you found value, please like and subscribe and let me know what you thought. Thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking with you guys soon.